Stay cool. This is a THORnews presentation. THORnews presents... You're right, sir.
Slow your rotation, stellar fool.
Hit the button, baby.
Party dance time.
We are over at the Express, which is a United Kingdom magazine. Shock claim the Large Hadron Collider magnetic field could pull asteroids towards Earth. I don't know much about this internet rag, but apparently they cover shock claims. I do tend to like to get a little woo-woo on the weekends. So, let's go. And this gives me a chance to talk about CERN, LHC. I've never actually done a video about CERN because I don't know what it is. I mean, I do, but I don't. You know, it's like they spend billions of dollars smashing tiny particles together. For what reason, I don't know. I know that it doesn't have any problems with funding, and it has a bigger budget than NASA, and that they are supposedly working seriously hard to do something. Now, sometimes I think it's all just a big hoax. It's a giant slush fund, and the actual CERN LHCs out there, we don't know where they are, and we don't know what they're doing. So, this one is kind of like the placebo, possibly. The CERN Large Hadron Collider could be responsible for drawing an asteroid that could destroy the planet towards Earth, according to a wild conspiracy theory by John Austin, published Friday, September 18th. It's the weekend, and I'm broken-hearted, so come on, baby, let's get it started. And if you're one of those people who already knows everything CERN is and does and will ever do and is doing, then you might not want to watch this video because it'll probably make you mad. And I don't want to give anybody negative emotions in days like these. Because to me, in days like these, we learn to fly again. We learn to love again. Hashtag Dave Grohl. The LCH could generate a magnetic field that could somehow pull an iron-laden space rock off course towards Earth with catastrophic consequences, according to the crackpot theory, which is doing the rounds online. Another theory dreamed up by conspiracists is the LCH could even open up a portal from another dimension through which an unexpected comet or asteroid could suddenly appear before hitting Earth out of the blue. Alright, now that sounds crazy. But I believe the original conspiracy theory where crazy scientists would use a crazy machine to draw crazy asteroids from crazy space came from the old 1940s Superman cartoons. So don't try and blame people today. That conspiracy theory has been out there for a long time. And knowing these trillion-dollar rocks are filled with all types of precious metals and rare precious metals, including gold, silver, diamonds, they could be trying to magnetize asteroids to collect from them. But it seems like it would be smarter to get it to the moon. Though if we can't get to the moon, then I guess, yeah, land it somewhere. The Large Hadron Collider, and an artist impression of an asteroid heading to Earth, because the majority of the stuff we get about space is usually an artist impression. Hell, your whole understanding of space is an artist's impression. I love that this newspaper, magazine, internet thingy is like all going into all the wild conspiracy theories. But the whole thing about opening up a portal, I mean, I know that we have been seeking alternate dimensions, wormholes and such, you know, so I believe science is trying to do everything. You know what I'm saying? Science fiction was science fiction for a reason. Some have even bizarrely claimed that the LCH could summon the Antichrist to Earth to cause an apocalypse. Well, first of all, apocalypse just means the uncovering. And I don't believe that, because as Christ was born on Earth, the Antichrist would probably have to be born on Earth. Alright, scientists have readily dismissed these suggestions as ridiculous. But the LHC has long caused fear among certain quarters from following claims it could potentially create a black hole which swallows up the planet. But I thought it was possible that the LHC could create a tiny mini black hole that they could not control, and then it would spit out and shiz up B. What? See, I don't even know anymore, man. The collider is within miles of tunnels 75 meters under the French-Swiss border near Geneva, Switzerland, where scientists are smashing atoms to try to discover a parallel universe. It is accepted by scientists that the LHC could cause a small black hole, but there has been no suggestion it could actually devour the Earth. Actually? What? Tabo. No suggestion it could actually devour the Earth or affect the movement of asteroids in space. So then what can it do other than smash particles together? I mean, it's got to do something, right? I mean, everybody wouldn't be totally interested in it and pumping billions into it unless it was A, a slush fund, or B, doing something. So weird, man. See, I like to learn as much as I can, but then assume that I don't know shit about what's really going on. It seems safest and best for me, you know. This has not deterred Nostradamus-style predictors. One blogger suggested the LHC was a much more sinister machine stating, "The CERN logo is 666, the sound of the beast, in a circle." Well, that's what it looks like. I mean, that theory seems true. That is 3 sixes. The CERN Collider looks like the all-seeing eye of stargaze, or stargaze we see so much of. Stargaze? I think that's looking at the stars. Do you mean Stargate? Because you don't need CERN to stargaze, bro. In a video, the YouTube channel Paranormal Crucible said, We hear a lot of talk about CERN, portals and asteroids lately. CERN is creating a portal in space in anticipation for this event, and they are creating rumors of an asteroid strike, when really they are not sure of the implications when CERN removes the veil belt. When really they are not sure of the implications when CERN removes the veil bet above and bell, what might come out of that portal. What? I don't understand that at all. The veil bet above and below. Now it's like code. Removes the veil between, above, and below what might come out of that portal. Oh, so it's like they're just trying to unleash the beast, even though they know they might not be able to control it. That sounds genius. I think BP Earthwatch has done some good eyebrow-raising stuff on CERN. That's my opinion. Think what you like. There has been so much speculation over CERN drawing an asteroid towards Earth. Yahoo.com cited it as one of the top 11 craziest conspiracy theories. Wow, people still go to yahoo.com? I wonder if that dude still has his MySpace. The article said, it seems that Christian conspiracy theorists haven't forgiven the machine for finding the God particle, and now predict it's going to bring about doomsday. It's weird how the worst Christians get the most attention. You know what I'm saying? I'm awesome. Whatever. Various YouTube channels predict the Large Hadron Collider is about to unleash hellfire. Unleash hellfire and destruction on the world, possibly while magnetically summoning a whacking great asteroid to destroy America's East Coast. Yeah, what? I don't know. I know they do have Shiva, the god of destruction, out in front. That is very interesting. Yeah, so what do we know? What do we know? Not much. What do we really know about CERN? Not much. Do they give public tours of CERN? Yeah, like the cheese-making factories. And also, if you enjoy my educational and informative reports just like these, be sure and stop by my Indiegogo, where I'm throwing a fun 40-day fundraiser. Help me stay awesome and bring the news to you. Somebody's got to do it.